We're in Key Royale off to our right, and didn't want to do that. Still learning this. So we just came under the bridge at Key Royale. Lift it and hold there. Lift it and hold there. I think it's this canal, JD. Yeah. Somebody's nice Seahawk. Made it through. We got one of those boats. They're great. Checking on a friend's boat of JD's. Whoa. Sorry, it was just something in the water. Is it good? This isn't it? Okay. Hold on. It's almost surreal, you know, after seeing those boats, your whole outlook on things change. And all right, we'll let you know if anything else is